Hello everyone, today I am show you how to download and share video with progress bar in Swift 4 and Xcode 9 letter. Let's start. Take one button, share video, set constraint, take outlet, btn, share video, also take action. Now start coding. First here URL session, download delegate, now here take some parameter where progress plot is equal to 0.0, where task URL session task, yeah, present task total byte, zero. Now here create one function, but I will copy this function because we don't waste time for typing. See here is configure function for the session download delegate. Now here code. Now also copy this, code, but we need MJ progress HUD. You can download MJ progress HUD in GitHub. I also provide this link in video. I'm already downloaded. Take this the file and paste in your project. Drag and drop in your project. Create business header. Here import this file. Now it's working. See here, this code for the display loader. Here video play URL. I have already insert this URL. Now create this function. See here, this function for display progress. And now URL session delegate. I will copy all code. Change this name. I will explain this code. Do something right with progress. This function is used for display progress, downloading videos. See here, downloading task. So display our progress, how much download video. See here, when you download finished, then this file, this code is used for video download in your apps. See here, app UI, here is URL. This code check file exit or not in the destination location. Here our progress view is hidden, and open the share activity. If we use iPad, then we need this function, otherwise app is crash. Now run this app. Don't worry about that, I will also provide this code. See here, now app is run. See here, downloading process. Downloading is done. See here, open pop-up. Now I will share a video in Facebook. See here, post video. Your video is posted. Now this demo working well. Hello everyone, if you like my video, then like and share this video and subscribe my channel. If you have any question, please comment below. Thank you for watching.